Hello, children. Welcome to Nadar Saraswati Public School. Are you remember my voice? Yes, I am Sita, Department of Computer Science. Okay. Now we have study about the robotics. Already you studied in the year 5th standard itself robotics. Now in the 6th standard you study about the year beginners level, that is a robotic beginners level 1. Welcome to grade 6. Robotics Beginners Level 1. First unit Fundamentals of Robotics. We see about the what is a robotic, characteristics of a robotic, and then evaluation, that is a history of robotics, and then last one is an areas which are used in robotics. What is a robot? A robot is a machine designed to accomplish a particular task. A robot, a robot is a machine. It looks like a human. So, robot is a machine. It is designed. For what purpose the robot can be designed? It is used to accomplish some task. Whatever the user give the instruction, the robot can do. So, the robot is a machine designed to accomplish a particular task. Example, if we give instruction to the robot, move left to right, then robot will move from left to right. The user give the instruction move, the robot can do. So it is a task. Second one is the history of robotics. We see the history from the early to now itself. History. First we see about the laws of robotics. The laws of robotics was taught by Isaac Asimov. Isaac Asimov. He framed one law, that is it comprises three laws. First one is a robot may not injure human being or through inaction allow a human being to come to harm. This is a robot cannot injure the human being. A robot cannot injure the human being. Next one, second one is a robot must obey the order which was given by user. User is nothing but we are the user. So a robot must obey the orders. Whatever we instruct, the robot will do. This is the second law. Third law is that a robot may extend. It can live for own extents. If the human can harm means it will destroy. Otherwise it will work for the own extents. So repeat the law. Isaac Asimov, that is he framed the law. There are three laws. First law is that a robot may not injure a human being. It cannot injure any human being. Second one, a robot must obey the order that was given by the user. Whatever we give the order, the robot can work. For example, we instruct move from left to right means the robot will move. Third last, it can live for own extents. So if the human can injure or it can exploit or it can destroy means the robot will destroy. Otherwise it can live for own extents. The third one, they developed turtle robot. That is, it was developed by William Gray Walter. It is the first electronic autonomous means it's a single, called Machina Spectacula. Machina Spectacula. They were named as a Elmer and Elsie. This was the first electronic robot. The next history is first robotic arm. It was developed in the year 1963. It is controlled by a computer. It is mainly used for the instead of handicap cars. Next one, there are 6 joints in it. It is used in a hospital. The next one is in 1969, the NASA developed a robot and land on the moon. It is the first robot land on the moon. So it is also using edge computing technology. It is one of the technology in the robot. Next, in 1997, the IBM developed a robot called Deep Blue Robot. It play a chess game. The opponent is a Gary Kasparov. So in a single game, the Deep Blue won in the match. Next one, the next one is in the year 2000, Honda, it's a company, releases the Asimo robot. Asimo abbreviation Advanced Step in Innovative Mobility. Asimo is an advanced step in innovative mobility. This robot is act as a personal assistant. In the year 2004, the IBM starts works on Watson. Watson is a robot. In the quiz competition, the Watson defeat the other two-person and won. In the year 2016, the AlphaGo is a robot. It is the ancient board game win by a Lee Sedol at a one game. Next one. Do you know the Sophia robot? You know Sophia. Sophia is a one robot. It looks like a woman. Next, in this robot, it have a AI, artificial intelligence, visual data processing, facial recognition, speech, and then cloud network. AI is an artificial, it is a robot. Next one, facial. Within the face, we can recognize the person. Speech, identify the person. And the cloud network, we have store their data. I hope students, you understand their robot and the history of robots. Thank you.